In this video, we will see how to determine the percentage by mass of a solute. We have two cases. First case, the solute in a commercial solution, dissolved in a commercial solution. The second case is when the solute is a part of a powdered commercial product. First case, percentage by mass of a solute in a commercial solution is 0. We will solve an example based on Life Science 2022 second session. In order to determine the percentage by mass of HCl in a commercial solution, one proceeds as follows. The commercial solution is diluted 50 times. The obtained solution is noted as S. A pH metric titration is carried out of a volume VA equal 10 milliliter of the solution S, with a sodium hydroxide solution of Cb equals 7.8 10-2 mole per liter. We have a commercial solution S0 of concentration C0. We take a volume V0 to prepare a solution S of concentration C and volume V. The solution S0 is diluted 50 times to prepare the solution S. Now, the solution S, the diluted solution S, which is a hydrochloric acid solution, a strong acid HCl plus Cl minus, of concentration Ca, we take a volume Va equal 10 milliliter. We titrate this solution by a sodium hydroxide solution Na plus HO minus of concentration Cb equal 7.8 10-2 mole per liter. The volume of base added at equivalence equal 11.2 milliliter. 1. Determine the concentration of HCl in the solution S. First, we should write the equation of titration reaction H3O plus HO minus give 2H2O. At equivalence, reactants react according to stoichiometric ratio, which are 1 for acid and 1 for base. Then, number of mole of H3O plus introduced to the beaker equal to the number of mole of HO minus added from the burette. We replace number of mole of HO plus by CaVa and NHO minus by CbVBE. Then Ca equal CbVBE over Va equal Cb 7.8 10-2 times VBE 11.2 over Va equal 10 equal 8.7 10-2 mole per liter. Now, part 2, deduce the percentage by mass of HCl in the commercial solution, knowing that the density of this solution is equal to 1.07 gram per milliliter. The percentage by mass of a solute in a solution, liquid solution, mass equal to mass of solute over mass of solution times 100. Mass of solute equal number of mole times molar mass times 100 over mass of solution equal density times volume. Number of mole over volume is equal to concentration of the commercial solution C0 times molar mass times 100 over density. Now we should determine the concentration of the commercial solution from the concentration of the diluted solution by applying the law of dilution. Upon dilution, N solute is conserved. That means F equal C0 over C, and C0 equals C times F, 8.7 times 10 negative 2 times F, which is 50, equal 4.35 mole per liter. Then the percentage by mass equals C0 4.35 times molar mass of HCl 36.5 times 100 over density equal 1.07. The density is in gram per milliliter. In this relation, density should be in gram per liter. We multiply it by 1000. Then the percentage by mass equal 14.8%. This is how to determine the percentage by mass of a solute dissolved in a solution. Now, second case, percentage by mass of solute in a powdered commercial product, or what is called percent of purity of this commercial product. We'll solve an example based on Life Science 2021, first session. A sample of a powder scale remover agent based on sulfamic acid. That means a commercial product which is used as scale remover. The essential substance or active substance is the sulfamic acid, which is a solid in a powder of mass M equal 1 gram. Is used to prepare a solution S prime of volume V1 liter. Then we dissolve 1 gram of this powder, the commercial product, to prepare a volume equal 1 liter. Then S prime is prepared by dissolving a mass M of the powder, commercial product, equal 1 gram. The volume of prepared solution equal 1 liter. A pH metric titration is carried out of a volume VA equal 20 milliliter of the solution S prime with a sodium hydroxide solution of Cb equal 210 negative 2 mole per liter. The volume of base added at equivalence equal 9.8. Then we take from S prime, which the essential substance is the sulfamic acid. Sulfamic acid is a strong acid, noted HA, dissolved completely in water, then HO plus A minus, of concentration Ca to be determined. We take a volume Va equal 20 milliliter. We titrate this volume using sodium hydroxide solution of concentration Cb equal 210 negative 2 mole per liter. The volume of base added at equivalence equal 9.8 milliliter. 1. Determine the concentration of sulfamic acid in the solution S prime. Then the titration reaction is H3O plus HO minus give 2H2O. At equivalence, number of mole of H3O plus introduced to beaker equal to the number of mole of HO minus added from the burette. We replace NHO plus by CaVa and NHO minus by CbVBE. Then Ca equals CbVBE over Va equal Cb 210 negative 2 times VBE 9.8 over Va 20 equal 9.8 10 negative 3 mole per liter. This is the concentration of sulfamic acid in this solution S prime. To deduce the percentage by mass of sulfamic acid in the scale remover agent, knowing that the molar mass of sulfamic acid is 97 grams per mole. Now, in this case, the percentage by mass of sulfamic acid equal the mass of the sulfamic acid over the mass of the powder times 100. This is the percentage by mass of a solute in a powder. The mass of powder is 1 gram dissolved in the 1 liter solution. We should determine the mass of sulfamic acid in 1 liter of solution. First, we determine the number of mole of sulfamic acid equal concentration times volume. Concentration is 9.8 10 negative 3 times the volume equal 1 liter 9.8 10 negative 3 mole. Then we can determine the mass of sulfamic acid equal number of mole times molar mass 9.8 10 negative 3 times 97 the molar mass equal 0.95 gram. Now the percentage by mass of sulfamic acid equal mass of sulfamic acid over mass of powder. Mass of sulfamic acid is 0.95. Mass of powder equal to 1 gram over 1 times 100 equal 95%. Then this is how to determine the percentage by mass of solute. In case of solute dissolved in a solution, then percentage by mass equal mass of solute over mass of solution times 100, which is finally concentration of the commercial solution times molar mass over density times 100, while the percentage by mass of solute in a powder equal mass of the solute over mass of powder times 100.